Hey there! In this video, we're going to break down Java data types, the building blocks of any Java program. Let's dive into what these types are and how we use them. Java data types come in two flavors, primitive and non-primitive. First up, primitive types. There are 8 of them, and they handle basic stuff like numbers, characters, and true-false values. These are the 8 primitive data types in Java. Byte stores small whole numbers from -128 to 127. Short, a bit bigger. Stores numbers from -32,768 to 32,767. Int, the most commonly used type, storing numbers from -2 billion to 2 billion. Long, for big numbers, up to 9 quintillion, but you have to add an L at the end. Float, stores decimal numbers up to 7 digits, including decimals, with an F at the end. Double, stores even bigger decimal numbers up to 16 digits, including decimals. Boolean, only true or false, nothing in between. Char, holds just a single character like A or even an emoji. Let's see them in action with a quick example. Here we've got an integer, a float for decimals, a single letter with char, and a Boolean for true-false. Here is an example showing the different number types in Java and what kind of numbers they can hold. Quick tip: use double for decimals when you need high precision. Double can handle up to 16 digits including decimals, while float is only good for up to 7. They can be used to store numbers with more digits, but may then lose precision due to rounding. Booleans are your go-to for yes or no, true or false questions. Think of them like a switch. It's either on or off. And char is used when you need just one character, like A, B, or even the number 65 if you're feeling fancy and know ASCII values. Characters are actually stored as numbers behind the scenes using the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For example, uppercase A is stored as the number 65 in ASCII. Uppercase B is 66. Lowercase a is 97. This is why you can use numbers to display characters like this. So every character you see has a hidden ASCII value behind it. Next up, non-primitive types like string, arrays, and classes. These are a bit more complex. For example, they can call methods to perform actions. But don't worry, we'll dive into them more in future lessons. Let's see all of this in action with a real-life example. Let's say you're buying 50 items and each one costs $9.99. We use an int for the number of items, a float for the cost, and a char for the currency symbol. Run the code and bam, you've calculated the total cost. And that's a quick look at Java data types. Stay tuned for more on non-primitive types like strings, arrays, and classes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. For more coding tips and tricks, keep it locked right here on w3schools.com. Don't forget to try out what you've learned in our interactive editor. Happy coding!